Greatech Technology Berhad was founded by Mr. 𝗤𝗏𝗃𝗃 and Mr. 𝗤𝐸𝐿ian Heng in 1998. The company is in the automated testing equipment industry, where they are involved in designing, manufacturing, installing, and commissioning machines that are used to automate processes in production lines, ranging from single automated equipment to multiple automated equipments that perform a series of tasks. The machines are used to assemble solar cells, solar modules, semiconductors, and consumer electronics. Some of the countries they sell to are Malaysia, contributing 61% of the total revenue for financial year end 2020, followed by the USA 19.3%, Vietnam 18.4%, and the remaining 1.3% comes from other countries. For more information, you can visit their website at greatechgroup.com. Greatech's revenue and gross profit grew more than 10x in just 6 years thanks to the pent-up demand for solar energy and electric vehicle storage in the US. The growth of gross profit being higher than revenue indicates that the company had achieved economies of scale. This had benefited their operating profit, a 14x growth despite incurring high operating expenses. Overall profit margins were choppy. From 2016 to 2018, margins slipped as a result of costs becoming more expensive in line with the rise in sales. Fortunately, a turnaround happened after they raised money from IPO in financial year end 2019. A bumpy ROIC, initially returns increased more than 6 times, but was later tapered off as a result of high capex spending. A superb improvement in remuneration to PAT ratio, contributed by strong delivery in net profit to as high as 14 times over the years. Very healthy cash to debt ratio. The company has been in the net cash position for 4 years. The growing in cash is partly contributed by their 10x increase in share capital from fundraising during IPO. This is one of the best operating cash flow to capex in my analyst series so far, with operating cash flow growing more than 10 times and higher than their capex. Though there was a large drop in operating cash flow in financial year end 2016 due to large increase in trade receivables and inventory stocking in their company. Nothing to comment on this slide. As you can see, 0 dividends were distributed by Greatech. Thanks to their outstanding operating cash flow growth, it allowed them to achieve a strong free cash flow growth as well. A negative free cash flow incurred in financial year end 2016 due to low operating cash flow explained in the previous slide. All in all, I rate their company 5 out of 6.4, which is about 78.1%. Very strong and healthy financials overall, though I would appreciate it if they can start distributing dividends to their shareholders. After analyzing Greatech's financial data, here are my thoughts. Number 1, the company is largely dependent on 3 major customers, as they contributed about 95% of the company's total revenue for financial year end 2020. Similar case to 𝗬𝗎𝐶. If you haven't watched my analysis on 𝗬𝗎𝐶, I'll put the link at the description down below, or you can click on the I button at the upper right hand corner of this video. Coming back to this, Greatech needs to maintain close relationship with their major customers and ensure their customers' businesses aren't prone to any fallout, like the recent news on one of their EV customers, 𝗏𝗏𝗏, which is not doing a great business due to their poor cash flow. Besides that, it is important for Greatech to boost employees' job satisfaction and increase the ability to hold onto valued workers, as it requires high labor skill, in this case engineers, to manufacture those machines. That said, we may expect more compensation towards their employees and or trainings provided as time goes by. Other than that, I feel Greatech is a great company with great business prospects, plus they deliver very strong financials. Though one thing I wish they could do, which is distributing dividends to their shareholders with their exponential growth in cash flow. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the analysis so far, make sure you smash the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. With that, I'll see you on the next one. Fearless.